Welcome back to the channel. Hey, I'm back down in southeast Louisiana, looking up again with River from Adventure This Way. If I've probably not mentioned this before, River is actually my son. He's my oldest. We got 5 kids. And as we're making this video today, we have a video dropping this morning from a vacation that my wife and I took 3 of our daughters on in Missouri last week. So me and River's got our kayaks loaded up. We're fixing to take them down to this little creek. It's a creek that we hadn't fished in quite a while, and it's definitely one we hadn't fished together in a long, long time. We're fixing to get our stuff unloaded, get it in the creek, we go and get them. Hey, I did want to take a minute, and River can probably do some of this on his own channel. But I was going to let him explain why he uses these shorter rods. Now, it looks maybe kind of silly to some of you for a person to be using such short rods to be bass fishing and brim fishing like this. So why are you using them particular rods in this setup there, really?
Well, the places that I fish are really, really small water. All I really have access to is small creeks and streams. So instead of just not fishing or always walking and fishing, I take the little ugly stick Dock Demon Deluxe. I think 36 inches. And it's the perfect length to get in between all the sticks and trees and branches and whatever other crap that's not a fish. It really makes it a lot easier to cast and get in there where you want to, where the fish are at.
And that makes a lot of sense too, and I found that out last time he and I were on another little creek similar to this one. He handed me one of those little rods, and I started with one of my longer rods, and I found out real quick, those little short rods in these little tight, skinny creeks in a kayak with a lot of, tree cover and stuff like that, you can cast that short rod just like it's a long rod, so you can use the same casting action. That's what I learned. You don't have to really adjust your casting action because the rod is so much shorter. And you're usually not casting very far either, so it works pretty good. All right, we're about to get it. Let's go. All right, here we go. All right, I'm going to start with the micro chatterbait. Oh, I had a bite first cast on that little teardrop crankbait, River. Try it again. Oh, God. Oh man, I just had a little bass on the chatterbait. This little place is kind of unique. It's one of the few places where either of us have ever caught a chain pickerel. River has caught several chain pickerel in here. I was hoping to catch one of those today. Part of the reason why I wanted to go to this spot. Yeah. If I can get him to hit it again. Oh, got a little bass. All right. First fish.
This looks a lot different than last time I was down here.
Oh, yeah? Oh. That little dude's so small, he fits in the cup holder in this kayak. Look at him. That is a pretty little spotted bass, though.
Oh, yeah. The little babies like that always have.
Man, he's pretty. There you go, buddy. Hey, imagine the big Shapapila between Joinertown and Detanchpahoe.
Yeah, that's what I'm trying to say. It'd probably be about like Big Creek.
Right. Yeah, hang on a second. Look, if you will.
Yeah, it's got that real
Yeah.
dark green one.
Paddle yourself backwards, Real, where I can get like you in the picture. If you can. That's a good spot too. You caught him right in between them logs?
I mean, I cast it probably 4 feet.
All I could see was orange kayak and fish splashing.
I cast it like 4 feet in front of me, not very far at all. No cast is too short. Here's the proof.
Yep. Little dude was fighting too, wasn't he?
Oh yeah.
I seen him. Tearing it up. See if I can get one.
Back in there behind you is where I'm talking about. If you throw that little teardrop, you don't have a choice.
Yeah. Oh, how about right there? Yeah, there he is. Long-eared sunfish, or as we call them, red bellies. Yeah.
Yeah, we're going to have a lot better trip than last time.
Well, that's exactly why I brought these things right here.
Yeah, every time, too.
He got all, look, that dude couldn't get off if he wanted to there. All 3 hooks in his mouth.
I wonder if some people use baits like that and hook a fish in the mouth so they can't get off to use as live bait.
I don't know. Oh. Get any on you?
Probably.
Dang.
If I burp a couple more times, my knees might get weak.
But man, what a view. Yeah, them little forceps work great.
I might not have to, but I just keep thinking about trying that fluke.
Yeah.
I might try it later. When we start paddling back upstream.
There he is. That's one of my favorite brim to catch right there. Here you go, buddy. Oh, dang it. All up on you. I knew I was going to catch one in that little current right there.
Yeah, that's a good looking spot. Don't forget to cast behind you.
Oh, yeah. Let's see if I can twist around under this log like River did there. Obviously, River's better at it than me. Oh, got one. Oh, yeah. That is a pretty one right there. Man, yeah. Pretty. Pretty fish. Caught him on one of my little hand-tied beetle spins. a bluegill?
I really got the best species color.
Oh, hey, check it out. I just found that piece I lost too.
Good.
All right, we're back in the filming business now.
Everybody back in business. I found the crap up this sucker in the throat.
Let me see.
Like right here.
Dang, sweet. Yeah, that's a bluegill. That's a female. Yep. Nice. Yeah, I think. Yeah, nice one. I think I just didn't record that whole crap.
That's alright. Hey, he smacked that thing.
Man, I just caught a nice little, I say little, nice spotted bass for this creek, or Kentucky as we call it. Hey, that's a largemouth. That's a largemouth. Nice largemouth in this little creek. I thought I had my camera on, but I wasn't recording. I bought River this Arky crankbait a week or so ago, and he was letting me fish with it there, and he came out there and hit it. Awesome.
Man, one of them was the biggest of the day.
Yeah. Oh, hey, for the record, I got the biggest. So far, anyway.
I think you got the most by like a little yesterday too.
Yeah. Oh, got one right there on that crawfish and the Moana pole. Hey, if y'all ain't got a Moana pole and you microfishing, you need to go get one.
You're missing out.
There he is. Oh, I got one. Oh, Riv, I got a good fish. Yeah, ooh, he got me wet.
I told you there's no reason.
Hot diggity dog. On the micro chatterbait. Nice little Kentucky bass, or spotted bass, what people call them. Son, he hit it like a ton of bricks too.
Yeah, I was waiting for it.
All right. Nice one. You want me to get it? Let's turn him back loose. That fish was deep, man.
Yeah, that's what I'm starting. We might always try to jig. Or that Ned rig.
Oh yeah, I forgot about the Ned rig.
Hey, I got them Helder mics on me if you want to try one. I thought that was good bait at first. And I was just fishing the fleet up there too.
Try that crankbait up there. Oh, I got something. Oh, little brim.
Of course.
All right, I'm going back to this little cream brand little teardrop crankbait. It is baby bass color, I guess you'd call it, and we'll see what we can catch on it. Let's go down. Oh, almost cast right on top of your bait. Oh, I just had a little bass come after it there. Oh!
Oh man, every fish spits it out. Every fish.
Wow.
Maybe you ought to be fishing one of these.
Maybe.
I'll put that flopper back on.
What I told you. They won't stay on there, huh?
Hey, if you notice, notice I only get bites when I reel it straight in. You seen that?
Yeah, I noticed. I knew he was going to get at least one hit in here on that flopper.
I feel like chopping it is really good.
Do not let that fish get off. Do not let that fish get off.
I'm trying.
Put him in the boat, son. Put him in the boat.
I can't.
Yeah, you better. Get him. Get hold of that fish.
Oh my God.
Jeez. Oh, woo,
crap.
son. Hey, that's what I'm talking about.
That is a monster.
Talking about, hey, that's what I'm talking about.
Jeez. On the 36-inch rod. Hey, that's my dick right there.
Hey, for here, for sure.
Oh,
Golly, Bob.
This is the king of the creek.
That dude smoked it. Huh?
Yeah, that's about like what I missed at the bridge.
That dude smoked it.
Feel how strong that fish is.
Gosh.
He's built like Satch.
Here, hold on. I'm in a bind here. Hold on.
I got a strainer for this sucker.
Hold on a second. Hold on a second.
Good. He's real brown copper too.
Gosh. Yeah, that's a pretty fish, son. That is a pretty one. Hold on.
I don't think I've caught one this size since the last time me and you went and float the river.
Dang.
And
That is a beast. Dude, that is a beast.
It ain't that deep right there either.
That dude hit that popper like a rail.
Yeah.
Golly, Bob.
That's the biggest fish. I didn't think they got this big in here.
Man. Dude.
Turtle tried to eat them too.
Something. Holy moly. Wow. That's a monster. Got him. Little spotted bass. Kentucky. Nice little fish. Let's turn him back loose. Oh, get that hook in my finger. Alright there, buddy. He gone. Got it. Oh, good one. Oh, we're getting wet. But man, it's been worth it. It's worth it, Gus.
It's a little wet right now.
Yeah, it is. I mean, it could have waited 20 more minutes, I think, we'd have been in the truck. Yeah. Hey, thank y'all for watching. I hope that you enjoyed the video today. Me and River have had a blast, kind of redeemed ourselves a little bit from our last trip. And we had just a good old time on the creek today. We'll see y'all next time. We out.